Good morning, children. You are most welcome to the language class. Today we are starting chapter 5, that is collective nouns. What is collective noun? Collective noun is the name of a number or collection of people or things considered as one is called a collective noun. For example, many soldiers together is called army. Many people standing in a place is called crowd. Many birds standing or sitting or flying in a place, it is called flock of birds. Okay, like this, when we will give a name to a group of people, person or thing, or a collection of people, person or thing, it is called the collective noun. Here, let's start the chapter. Last summer, we went to Africa for safari. We were with a caravan of travelers. See, caravan of travelers. So, a group of travelers is called the caravan of travelers. Caravan is a collective noun. It was our first day, it was afternoon, and the sun was glaring down mercilessly. A pride of lions. So, a group of lions. There are many lions. So, it is called a pride of lions. Pride is a collective noun. Dozed quietly under the old thorn tree. A leap of leopard. See, leap, L-E-A-P, leap. A leap of leopard. So, leap means when a group of leopard is there. A leap of leopard lay on the branches above, watching the lions below. A kettle of vultures, that means a collection of vultures or many vultures together. Kettle is a collective noun. Circled in the dazzling sky on the banks of the river. A bask of crocodiles. Bask is a collective noun of crocodiles. That means together a lot of crocodiles will be there. Relaxed until the sun got too hot for them. They slide one by one into the cool water. They means the crocodiles. Downstream, a herd of elephants. Herd is the collective noun for elephants. Enjoyed splashing water around. A flock of flamingos. Flamingos is a bird. Okay. And flock is the collective noun for the flamingos. We're looking at the pretty pink reflections in the water. They looked up as a tower of giraffes. Tower is the collective noun for giraffes. Came towards them. A troop of monkeys. Troop is the collective noun for monkeys. Quarreled over just one bunch of bananas. The long evening turned to night. Only a parliament of owls. Here, the parliament means the collective noun for owls. And a cloud of bats. Cloud is the collective noun of bats. On the tree tops were visible. So, when we are talking about a group of same kind of things, we are giving a name to them, that those are called the collective nouns. Understood? Read it, listen the video, and here comes that you have read about different groups of animals in the passage on the previous page. Write the group names below. One has been done for you, and the others I have already discussed, so you will listen the video and you will get it. Okay, do it in the book only. Now next, apart from animals and birds, we can give a group of names to the things also. For example, one grape, a bunch of grapes. One book, a library of books. One tree, a cluster of trees. One man, a crowd of men. One student, a class of students. One player, a team of players. One key, a bunch of keys. An arrow, a quiver of arrows. One puppy, a litter of puppies. So you have to read this. Okay, next. Collective nouns are group names for a group of people, animals, or things. Next. Here are more examples, collective nouns for the groups. You will read over here. An army of caterpillars, a litter of kittens and puppies, a colony of ants, penguins, frogs. That means a colony of ants, a colony of penguins, a colony of frogs. Okay? A flock of birds, a flock of ducks, a flock of geese, and a flock of pigeons. A herd of cows and others also you will write like this. If I will give a dash of donkeys, you will write herd over there. If I will give a dash of elephants, you have to write herd. Okay? A pack of wolves or pack of dogs, a brood of hens, a school or shoal of fish, a swarm of bees, like this. You will read this one. Okay? Next is a murder of crows, a scurry of squirrels, a troop of horses or monkeys. Next, let's practice. Match the following animals with their group names. Fish. Fish will be going with school. Okay. Crows. Crows will be murder. Crows will be murder. This one you will do by yourself because this is given from here only. Okay. From this chart it is given, you will do it by yourself. Complete the following sentences by choosing words from the box. One has been done for you. I bought a bouquet of flowers for my sister. The girl plucked the fruit from an dash of fruit trees orchard. When a lot of fruit trees will be in a place, then it will be called orchard. The police caught a dash of thieves last night. A gang of thieves. A dash of singers sang beautifully at the church. Choir. Okay. Next, number E. A dash of ants started eating our picnic food. That is colony. Next, underline the collective nouns in the following sentences. One has been done for you. We had a panel of judges for the debate competition. Here, panel is the collective noun for the judges. Rest of them you will do by yourself. Okay. Rest of them you will do by yourself. In the book only you will do. I will not help this one, but you will get the answers in the next class and then you will check it from there. Next, use collective nouns to fill in the blanks in the following sentences to find out how many you know. The dash of directors of the company met yesterday. A board of directors. A dash of camels came to the village fair. Herd. The teacher gave a surprise test to the students of our class. India has many soldiers in its army. My mother picked up a dash of red apples. Bunch of red apples. A dash caught a dash of robbers. A dash caught a dash of robbers. The police caught a gang of robbers. My father gave a dash of roses to mom on her birthday. Bouquet. There are 3 people in my family, my father, my mother, and me. There are 11 players in a cricket team. So do by yourself, and I am giving you a worksheet. You will do it in the copy. The worksheet must be done in the copy. Okay. So read the chapter. This is very important. And next class you will get the answers. Before that, practice from yourself. Because grammar is a subject of practice. Okay. Don't sit that ma'am will give the answers and then you will do. It is a very bad habit. Do the classwork as soon as you will get this one, okay, and listen the video properly. So till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time.